Hi, welcome to PSC, Machinery Performance and Workforce Safety Specialist Company. I'm Harika.
I am Ruby.
Today we'll discuss about PSC EZY-LIFT. Neutral position lifting. Designed to lift small pipes while keeping the wrist and hand in neutral position, minimizing the strain. Secure grip. Features a CNC machined metal plate coated with rubberized black paint for a secure grip on pipe to 4 to 5 mm thick. Ergonomic design simplifies handling and reduces strain when proper lifting techniques are employed. Balance lifting. Always use a set of 2 pieces with one person at each end of the pipe for balance lifting. Proper insertion. Ensure the hand is properly holding easy lift and lifting the pipe. Hand safety. Wear appropriate gloves. The tool's rubberized coating enhances the grip and protects. Maintenance. Keep the tool clean and properly stored to maintain its effectiveness and longevity. Compliance. Consult company policies regarding manual lifting limits and ensure compliance during usage.